And welcome back. Let's go ahead and talk about probably one of the more important things for people who are coming from Google Classroom, which is how to take a Google Classroom assignment and bring it into your course. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do in order for that to happen is we actually have to go up to this new feature right here that we haven't really talked about much, which is the App Center. So if I click on App Center and I search for Google Classroom, you can see that we have this tool called Google Classroom Import. When I click on that, it's going to ask me to install this LTI 1.3 app. So I'm just going to click on that, click Agree, and I choose what class I want to add it to. If you don't have any classes, you won't be able to install this app. So let's go ahead and install it since we do have one course that we have available to us, which is the demo course here. And now when I come and look here, at the very bottom I have this Google Classroom Import option. So when I click on that, it's going to go ahead and start to load this Google Import utility. And you can see I get a message that says you are being redirected to Google Classroom Import, so I know that is working correctly. It takes just a second to load depending on how fast it's going to work. Then we're going to sign in with our Google account. Once that's done, we can then select a course. And depending on what your privilege level is, you may have more or less courses here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a course here to choose from. And it's going to then load that course. And one of the cool things about this is you can choose what you actually want to pull in from Google Classroom. It does not necessarily pull in everything. So for example, in this selection, I can see I can pull in classwork or I can pull in assignments. So let's just say I'm going to pull in this chapter 18 assignment or classwork here. And that's the only thing I want to import in. Now obviously you can control what you want to import in, but I'm just going to choose this one for our demonstration purpose. I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Import. I'm just going to wait for this utility to run. Now you notice it says, where's my content? It says announcements, have become course updates, assignments have become assignment materials, and materials became page materials. So let's go ahead and view course materials. And so now I have this chapter 18 Asia Episodism page here. And so that's a real quick way to show you how to get your Google Classroom into Schoology.